Hello everyone and welcome to AppWiz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your ChatGPT history step by step. If you want to clear your past conversations and keep your chats private, this method will help you do it easily. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, launch the ChatGPT app on your device. Once the app opens, you'll see the main interface where you usually chat. Look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see two white lines, which represent the menu. Tap on it to open the navigation panel. In the menu, you'll see your profile section. Tap on it to access your account settings. Once you're in your profile settings, scroll down until you see an option called Data Controls. This is where you can manage your chat history and privacy settings. Inside the Data Controls section, you'll find the option to delete your chats. Simply tap on it, and your conversation history will be erased. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your ChatGPT history. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.